Hello and welcome to Judy Cooking 360. So I have here, okay, what I'm making is a maple cake, a marble cake. So I have 2 sticks of melted butter here, a cup and a quarter of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Making sure I have the 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 3 eggs. And I have here an 8-ounce package of cream, sour cream. An 8-ounce package of sour cream. Okay, so now I am gonna blend this up. It's gonna make a little noise. I'm gonna blend it up for 2 minutes. Okay, guys? So now that everything is all mixed up, my sugar is well blended, we're gonna add a cup and a quarter of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We want this to be soft and fluffy. Moist and fluffy. Bring everything together, stir everything up. You have to give this a good stir because we're talking about this flour that we just added in. Now you're not going to add any milk because you already added the sour cream in here. And this is going to turn out soft and delicious. Okay, let's switch bowls for a minute. I'm just gonna add a small amount, not quite half. If half comes out, so be it. Let's do a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna add exactly 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And this one is dark cocoa powder. Stir everything up. Get everything all blended. Nice and smooth. Now that we have everything nice and smooth, we're gonna start. Now this is my baking dish. You can use a round one. It's whatever is your preference. Add a little, stop. Add some chocolate, stop. Add another little on top, blop, blop. Another little on top. Get just a little more here. Another blob, another blob. And then we have another set here. Here we go. We want to get it all in there. And then we're going to add all the rest of the chocolate on top. And so you're going to bake this at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Could be 40, but check it at 30 minutes. Just to make sure that your cake is fully baked. Go all the way to the bottom. And stick this in. Okay, 35 to 40 minutes, guys. Check it after 35 minutes, 35 minutes. Thanks for watching Judy Cooking 360. Enjoy your mar